And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Wednesday, January 19th, 2022. It's 4:52 p.m. and we are here at the McGill, well, the future site for the McGill REM Station, as you can see, which is written here. A nice view of Mount Royal to the north, and we'll take a look below just to show you how work is coming along. And of course, we just had a snowstorm here in Montreal. We had about 20 centimeters, maybe a little bit more, between yesterday and today. Get another view here from this corner. All right, have a good night, everybody, and yeah, I'll continue following the progress of this McGill REM station, and yeah, more videos to come.